today's tutorial, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to make this awesome text. You see, most of the times you find these types of text on web pages and you wonder how they are made. So today in this video I'm going to show you how this is done. So buckle up while we go on today's video. So you can start this with just your HTML snippet by clicking exclamation on the VS Code and you click enter and you can start a snippet. So this is the snippet for HTML and we're going to name this clip. So we're going to be using, you're going to understand why I'm naming it. So clip that. Let's go ahead. So first, this is an H1 element and we're going to style it so that we know how to make this awesome effect. So H1, so we're going to use H1 and see this is the left text. So this is the clip text. So we're going to open, we've already opened it. So open with live server, we're going to open it. So let's do open with live server. It's going to come here. So this is clip text, as you can see, and let's move on to styling this clip text. So I'm going to do style. So I like to do in text styling, and this is because it's a tutorial and I don't want to be creating extra files. So if you would like to include it in your project, you definitely will be doing the styling in your other. So let's say I'm going to go with the body styling and I'm going to do some small tweaks to the body display flex. Sorry. So let's do display flex. So I'm going to do flex direction column. So column, and what I'm going to do is justify center, align item center. So I want to put this in the center, so I have to give it a height. So height of 100 VH and done. So height of 100 VH and this is centered now. So let's go on to our text. So now we're going to style our H1 and we're going to give it a font size of 100 pixels and we're going to give it a text align center. So we're going to align the center. Yep. So yes, as you can see, so we're using 100 pixels, text align center. So now how are we going to get that style? So how are we going to get the style? Still that is moving behind. So we're going to go ahead and write some background code. So it's the background. So first let's do static background. So we use background color and let's use aqua. So let me put on the aqua. Okay, so we have an aqua background. So this is where the fun part begins. So to be able to have this stay in the text, you're going just like Photoshop, you have clip maxing. Here we have background clip. So we do background clip, and this background clip you are going to clip it around the text. So now you see that the background disappears, and when the background disappears, we are going to do one thing: just change the color to transparent, and now see the trick. It's worked. Perfect. So we have our text animated or our text colored. So instead of using colored, this one. So mostly we wouldn't be doing static text because you can just do this with normal text colors or color grading. So what we will be doing mostly, or what is going to be done most of the time, is that we'll use gradient color. So linear gradient, that one is available with background. So linear gradient, and we're going to go about 245 degrees to deck, and we're going to set some colors up. So RGBA, so we're going to set 20, 30, 40, and I'll go at point A. So point A, so I don't know if it's blue, I don't know how you call this, but yeah, you see the colors have changed already. Yes, we are not done yet. So I'm going to go on with another color, RGBA. I'm going to go 45, 25, gray, and 30 right. Or we're going 30 blue on, let's go 0.5. So it's not going to look too bright because I reduce the opacity. So yeah, and then let's do one last color, RGBA. Let's go with the suggested one. And so now you can see the colors style. If probably you want some punchy colors, you can do some punchy colors too. Do some punchy colors. So let's see blue. Let's do this one too. Let's see red. Yeah, so you can have this nice colors. Depends on what you want to be doing. So this, and to make it move. So to make it move, we're going to call animation. So animation, we're going to call this animation clip. Animation. And we're going to let it run for 5 seconds. And we're going to do it ease, and we're going to make it infinite. So the animation is going to go on for infinite. So to do this, at keyframe, we're going to call keyframes, and we're going to call clip animation. So at any point in time, we want this clip to be moving. So they're going to be doing something here. Wait and see. So clip animation, and what we are going to do is at 0%, we're going to go with 0%. 0%. We want to be doing something, so we'll do something there at 50%. We're going to go with a strip for the meantime. So when you want to do it yourself, you can go as much as you want with animation. So 100%, 100%, we're going to do something. So we're going to set the background position. So we're going to be setting the background position. You can hold Alt and you'll be selecting this. Yeah, so let's set the background position. So background position. So I'm going to be using background position. So I'll paste this for you to see how this property works. So it sets the values based on what you want to set. So maybe let's say top. I want to set top 20 pixels. So this is going to set it 20 pixels, and let me enlarge this. So I'm going to set background size to background size to, let's say 400%. It's already giving me that. So 400. So instead of me using the top, I'm going to change it. I'm just going to go ahead and change this to style. So clear everything, and I'm going to click here. So when it's on 0, I want to style it from 0%, which is the X and Y axis. So 0% on the X, and the Y axis will go about, say, 50%. And so on for the next one at 50%, we want to go maybe 50%, and 100%. So the next one I like to do 0.50. So see, it will keep changing. Check it out. Let me change the colors to golden ones so that you can see for yourself. Yep, so you can see the colors will be moving through. So isn't this cool? There's an awesome effect you can add to your day-to-day stylings. Alright, so you can even use this for buttons. So let's say you want to style buttons. So let me style the button first. So button, scroll the button around it. So button, I'm going to style it. I'm going to give it all these properties. So let me create a button here. So click me. Button. Click. So what we can do here is set the background of this button from blue to something else. So you can leave the background. Let's go on and set the background image. Background image, you can use URL. I don't know if I even have an image. Let's say yes, images. Yeah, I have an image. So we can set the background image. We see that it's transformed from this to that. And what can we do? We can call background clip. Let's say text. When we say text, see that it's gone. And what we're going to do is going to make the background clear. So color. Sorry, the color was flipped. So let's change this to transparent. The image that you select is going to be shown inside. I don't know which of my images would be nice. Yeah, I'll show you in black. So yeah, the images should be behind it. It's working. Let me give it a bigger font size. Let's say 500. No, it's too big, but I want you to see the background. Background ain't showing anything, so yeah. So 100 is okay. So I guess we've learned something today. I'll catch you up in the next lesson. Bye.